Is the human tongue a poorly designed, inefficient organ that does not show any signs of having an intelligent design? Or is the human tongue a device, an organ so sophisticated, so complex that it is unthinkable that something like this would come into existence without an intelligent creator? Assalamu alaikum, this is Umar Wasim and you are watching PhysioVerse. So how does our tongue detect taste? Let's say I blindfold you and put just a few drops of orange juice on the tip of your tongue. Your tongue surface has numerous tiny sensors which we call taste buds, and these taste buds have this amazing capability of transforming taste stimuli into electrical signals. Now, the moment this orange juice touches the surface of your tongue, the moment it touches these taste buds transform this chemical information into electrical information, and these electrical information via electrical signals are transmitted to nerves, and these nerves, which are already present in the tongue, these nerves carry this electrical signal all the way through to the brain, and in the gustatory cortex of the brain then interprets and identifies these signals, and then it tells you that what you just drank was in fact orange juice. This entire process occurs in a matter of milliseconds, and that just shows you how efficient and how fascinating the human tongue really is. Now, in order to fully understand and fully grasp how difficult it is to create something like this, we just need to realize that our very own scientists have been trying to make an artificial taste detecting system for the past 40 years. It was in 1980s when the work on artificial taste detecting devices was first initiated, and since then it has been 40 years of our scientists working day and night, 40 years of using the best quality materials available, of using the most high-tech laboratories we have, 40 years of government and private institutions funding these organizations, 40 years of research, trials, errors, 40 years of development, and still, although we have made some good machines, the TS5000Z and Astri 2 are amazing machines, but still we have not been able to create a device that is better than the human tongue. And hence the question arises, how can something so complex, something so efficient and sophisticated, how can something like this come from a mere drop of fluid? Now we know today that that drop of fluid contains within it DNA, which basically acts like a program, like a software, which contains within it all the information required, all the information that is needed to transform this drop of fluid, this single cell, into an entire human being. And hence the question is, who put this information in there? Who is so immensely knowledgeable, who is so immensely intellectual that he can program this gigantic amount of information into a mere drop of fluid, into a mere cell? I think I'll let you answer that question. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.